So here's my basic video on how to use ultrasonic sensors. The sensor sends an ultrasonic signal out and then starts listening for an echo. Now the bigger the gap between the signal and the echo, the further away an object is. The closer the object is, the shorter the gap will be. Okay, so to connect this sensor to an Arduino, you're going to want to connect the 5V pin to the 5V out on the Arduino, connect the grounds together, and then connect trig pin to the digital pin 2 and the echo pin to digital pin 3. Okay, so here's our Arduino sketch. First we need to define some constants. These will be the pin numbers that we plugged our sensor into. So the trig pin went into pin 2 and the echo out went into pin 3. So now in setup we'll just define the pin modes. So the trig pin is an output, so we'll set that to output, and the echo pin is input because we're listening for the echo. The trig pin's out because it's sending out the ultrasonic sound. And then we'll just also start the serial monitor so we can look at the results. Right, now it's the loop time. For starters, we'll just set the trig pin to low, because it needs to start low just to make sure it might have been left in a funny state or something. And we'll just do that briefly, so we'll just do that for 2 microseconds. Okay, so now we want to send out the ultrasonic sound, and the way we do that is we digital write to the trig pin. We send it a high signal. I'll spell digital right. Digital. And we do that for 10 microseconds. So we'll set the delay microseconds to 10, and then put it back down to low. And now we need to start listening for a response. So we're going to need the duration, which is the time it takes for the sound to hit the object and come back. So we need that as a long, so we'll put this at the top. And we're going to need the integer being the distance. So the duration we get by listening or getting the pulse in from the echo pin, and this returns the amount of microseconds it took for the sound wave to travel to the object and back. And so that means the distance using the speed of sound is the duration times 0.034 divided by 2. That's because it's got to get there and then come back. And that gives us the distance. So we'll print that. And we're done. And that's how you program an ultrasonic sensor.